Hi friends, today we're going to do a science experiment and it has to do with an apple. And what we're going to do is predict, which is another word for guess, how many seeds are in this apple. So an apple can have all different number of seeds in it. So it can have no seeds, which would be silly, or it can have a lot of seeds in it. And each apple is different, so we just don't know. And the reason that apples and oranges and watermelon and all those type of fruits have seeds in them is so that farmers can take the seeds and replant them, and then you get an apple tree or an orange tree or a watermelon that grows in the ground. And each seed has the ability to be a new plant. So anyway, let's think about, look at this apple and think to yourself, how many seeds do you think is in this apple? So I'm going to take a guess. I have this sheet that says how many seeds, and I think that there are going to be, I think they're going to be 5 seeds in this apple. Here's my number 5. I really don't know. And I'm going to ask my daughter Sarah. Sarah, how many seeds do you think are in the apple? And she says 8. She thinks there are 8 seeds in this apple. Okay, those are our predictions or our guesses for how many seeds are in the apple. So now, if you're going to do this at home, you need to have a grown-up do the cutting of the apple. I have a very sharp knife here because if we try to cut the apple with a knife that isn't very sharp, it's not going to get through and get to the seeds, okay? So, and if you notice, I just took the stem off the apple. This is what the apple was hanging from when it was on a tree, and now it's ready to be eaten. First, we're going to count the seeds, and then I might save it so my family can eat it. Okay, so we're going to cut into it, and what you see is on this side, I don't think there are any seeds in there, but we'll cut it again. And I see some seeds in here that are ready to be counted. So what I'm going to do is turn the apple over. I'm going to give it another cut. Okay, and there are no seeds in that part of the apple. I'll put that right there. There might be a seed hiding in here, so I have a smaller knife. And what I'm going to do is just kind of cut into that a little bit and see. Oh, we have 1 seed. So we're going to line that seed up. So far we have 1. Okay, and that's it for in here. We'll save those. We can snack on that later. All right, I'm going to flick out this other seed. So that makes 2. I see another one in here. And that makes 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. I see another one, which makes 4. Slide him over here. Okay. I see another one hiding in there, so I'm going to make another cut into the apple. Okay, I don't see any hiding on that side, so we'll put that one over here. Look, we have another one that fell out. All right, that looks to be it. Put that seed down there. I'm going to do a couple more cuts just to make sure there aren't any seeds hiding in there. So, nope. Just one more cut on this one. Very carefully, of course. Nope, no other seeds. All right, so it looks like we're ready to count our seeds. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seeds in the apple. I did not know there were going to be 5 seeds in the apple, but guess what? That's how many there were today. So if you guessed 5, you were right. There are 5 seeds in the apple, and what you can do at home with a grown-up is, with an apple, you can cut it up and count how many seeds, but first make your prediction, which is important when you're a scientist. You guess what you think is going to happen, and then you experiment and try it out. So thanks for doing a science experiment with me, friends. Have a great day.